Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide sound detector notifications in the app list on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on hearing enhancements. In here, go down and tap on sound notifications, and then tap on open sound notifications. Next, tap on the settings button, and then in here, go down and tap on show icon. In the app list, tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. If this is turned on, it will show sound notifications in the app list in here. And if I switch it off, you can see in the app list, it will not show sound notifications. And there it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.